Good morning. My name is Aditya Fadiat Mel bin Adam Tan, and my number matrix is AA2324X7. So today I want to present the lab 9, and it was about how to implement the game named Tic Tac Toe. So first, I will start with the base, and it was a relative layout. Why I name it is the ID was a main, because it was main container, so it hold everything inside. And then the layout white and layout height, I made I make it to match parent, because this layout will cover the whole screen. Okay, second, I will explain about the text view, which is the text view is to show the number of turn in this game, which is it was starting with the 0 turn, I mean O turn, because the game was O and X. Okay, and then I set the gravity to the center horizontal, because I want to keep the text in the middle button. And then for the third step, I use the linear layout, which is I write to vertical, because I want to make the button to be a straight line like this. And then I also use again the linear layout to become the horizontal, because I want to make a row, so it will make 3 times 3 format, something like that. So I use the button to make it the player can click, so it will be a clickable button. And then I also name the ID to declare the ID, so I can, for the main activity Java, I can declare it, so it can be used in Java. And then for the text size, I use 60 SP, because to adjust, make it sesuai in this button, in the middle of on the button. And then the tag, this tag is a hidden label to code the identity for the button. And then the text, this 0, which mean was the position of the button. So I repeat to use same code to implement this 3 times 3 square. And the score, I use text view also, like the 0 turn text view. And then I also use button that was a remesh, but I named it, the ID was a button reset, because it can reset again for the user, for the player. So for the main activity.java, in the main class, I implement the view on click listener for the button clicks. And then I declare the button from button 0 and until button 8 for the button click. And then also the text view. Okay, then I declare this score X, score O and 0, and also the player. The score is for tracking their player score, and then the player is it was the turn to fill inside the array for the array papan. And then this active player is track which player turn it. So for the first, it was a player O first for play it. And then this is game active is for the indicate if the game was active or not. Okay, then second step, I initialize the button and for the text view also. And then for the TV0 and TVX, TVO and TVX for the score, to keep track, to set in to input it to the TVO and TVX. Okay, then I use the on-click listener in this. Use this for make it clickable for player, and then I also use the reset button listener to reset the game. And then I create the method which is reset game. Okay, this reset game method, I use if it reset, it will become to player O again, and then it will turn to O player. Okay, and then for the array, it will reset again also to become no text and no color lah for this. Yeah, okay, you can see this. I set text become 0, nothing in there, and also the background. And then I set it the game active become true because it play again. Okay, before last, I want to say this, the button tekan is for the function is for check the valid move, which if square already taken, it will ignore the click lah, like this. If the papan already tekan, already click it will ignore the click, another player click. And then if the active player is a player 0, and then it will mark the text O at the button which button player click lah. Same thing like player X also, it will mark also, but if like if button 1 and button 0, this button 0 already O, and then the player X click it, it will nothing happen because it already ignore the player X lah. And then I also make it switch turn if the X button, if the player X already click, and then it will become the O turn. Okay, this check for win is a method that I create for check all possible style they can win, like this. Like 012 was a row, and then 345 like this, 3 4 5 also row, and vertical also like this. And then this for the papan val 0. Okay, this if the player win, it will show dialog which player is winner lah. Okay, but if the square, the button, okay, the button was filled and then no winner found in this format, in this format, it will show the dialog, the match is draw. Okay, and then this method show dialog is for the winner message lah. Okay, now I want to run to show it how it will work. so it was a 0 turn, so I click. Okay, and then it will become the X turn. What if the X turn click the same thing? Okay, like you see, it will not change because it not the system was ignored. And then the X button. Okay, and then I want to say like this. Okay, and then it was a X button, and then I say like this, and then I click again for the 0 button. Okay, this format is 0 1 2 again like this. Okay, you see this? Okay, it show display the 0 is the winner, and then you see this format 0 1 2 0 1 2. Okay, so it show the dialogue and then the input, if the winner, if the which player win, it will input the which player marks lah, that win lah, like this. This was the show dialogue. This for the score, already, right? You know, the index. Okay, and then remesh. Okay, remesh, it will set clear all the button, become no text and no color. This no, where's this reset game for the set all thing become clear. Okay, and then for the X, select this. Okay, X is the winner. Okay, this X is the winner. Okay, you see this, the X already have 1 marks. Okay, so that's all I want to present. Okay, thank you.